Before going further, we need to install some MongoDB tools. So let's look at what are those tools. So first of all, we need to install this MongoDB shell. I will provide this link in the description. So you can download it from here. This is download button, and just do the basic, the next stuff. Also, we have to download the MongoDB Compass, which is GUI interface, which is look like let's say MongoDB Compass, and it will look like this. So this is how your compass will look like, and this is our databases. You can see this is pizza database. If I click on this, so these all our documents, or you can see collections, and collection contains these documents. You can see this is the data, I guess. Yes. Also, we are going to use this Postman tool to test our APIs or our MongoDB data. So this is the link. I will provide this link in the description to download it, and this is the button to download. So you can download it from here. Do the basic stuff like next and install. So I'm not going to install it because I have already installed on my PC. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.